Hi everyone, today we're going to make this crispy, spicy lion's mane mushroom salad. If you haven't had these mushrooms before, they're definitely worth trying. They're a hearty mushroom that are a great natural meat substitute, and an added bonus is that they help with mental clarity, gut, and heart health. All we have to do to get the mushrooms ready is just pull them apart. Make them as big or as small as you want. If you want them to be nice and juicy, keep them big. If you want them really crispy, make them small. Next, we need to salt the mushrooms. This is going to help draw out some of the moisture in the mushrooms and get us ready to make our batter. After the mushrooms sit for about 15 minutes, we just want to toss them with cornstarch. This is going to give us a nice light crispy coating on the outside of the mushrooms. Now we just need to drop the mushrooms into 325 degree oil and cook them until they're golden brown. And you want to fry the mushrooms in smaller batches, that way the oil temperature maintains about 325 degrees and keeps the mushrooms crispy without soaking up too much oil. When the mushrooms are golden brown, just lay them on a paper towel to soak up any extra oil. This is one of my favorite vinaigrettes or sauces to make because it's so simple. Just chop cilantro, fresh grate some garlic, fresh black pepper, then we need to squeeze some fresh lime juice, add in our fish sauce. You can use a vegan fish sauce if you want, some sugar to balance out the acid from the lime juice, and some sambal. If you don't have this, you can just use some fresh chopped chilies. Let's slice some fresh chilies. I like to leave the seeds in for the extra heat. Julienne some green onion. Thin slice some shallot into rings. And some cherry tomatoes. Now we just need to put the mushrooms in the bowl, our vegetables that we cut, and I like to tear in fresh mint at the end and rub it through my fingers to break out some of the oils. And also add in some more cilantro. I like to leave the leaves and stems all in there, it just has a ton of flavor. Add in our dressing and then just mix everything up. And I'm just going to top everything with some fried enoki mushrooms, just for some added crispiness. This dish is packed with flavor and texture. It's sweet, sour, salty, spicy, crunchy, and creamy all at the same time. Thanks for watching my video on how to make this crispy, spicy lion's mane mushroom salad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite dishes are. See you next time.